Finish now. Meet your shower. Voila, you can do it. Galbi. Phoenix. Yeah, I'm dangerous. When you taste it, you will crave for it. You will always, crave. I have to take an hour. I believe 8 minutes. Okay. It's okay. If you want, you will cut it. You will cut it. Like today, tomorrow, like that. If you want. It's okay. Just finish close all my gallery. Meet your shower. Not Galaxy. Already I have it. Yala, I will give you. I will give you 1 hour. You can cut it. If you want 30 minutes today and the next day you're available, take it. Deal?
What you said? You
What, baby?
make me
Crying?
what that?
What? What's this?
The only one who stole my heart away.
Yalla, Mahamud, finish. Yalla, meet your shower.
When I'm close to you.
Meet your shower. I love you. Thank you. Only at my gallery. Oh my god, I love you. Okay. I owe you. Don't worry. I'll give you anytime you want. Cause you you close my gallery, wallah. Thank you. The only one who stole my feet away. Already, Mahamud, take me. Thank you. See you on my Snap, huh? Enjoy! You saw the story in Snap? Allah, you're crazy, huh? Thank you, Mahamud. I replied to you. Okay. I add you already. Only you. And I feel inside cause you tell me inside out and you show me that my life was about only you. The only one who stole my heart away. Yes, I have Phoenix. I have Telegram. Yeah. You need also?